What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be playing Incredibox. The reason why is because I was watching MC Creeperman Gamer's video of Incredibox, and at one part he said I should play it. This isn't going to be like a long video, but just a short one. I'm going to start off with, let's see, Alpha. Drag and drop. I'm going to start with these two. I'll do this one now. Alright, let's do this. I never really got this one. The boat? What? He's stranded in the ocean. I don't get it. Let's just do this one. Okay. Well, I'm gonna keep that one in there. This one. That one. No. Sounds good. This is good. Not bad. I did play this one. Made a sure about it. Do the first one. We gotta add him. Cause he's in there. Oh no. I'm a star. I'm just adding creatures that were in there. And this guy was this. Let me see, I'm gonna start off with no. this guy. Okay, next one. To dystopia. Let's see. I'm gonna start off with these glasses.
Right on the sheep, follow it.
Or no, I think we should do this one.
Reaching the star,
Sounds
reaching
good.
the star, reaching 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 the star.
So it's gonna be a dystopia. I mean, it's called dystopia.
Looking for the eight-grand mysteries. You gotta watch over the line of mountain glass. Water, better, reaching the star, reaching the star, reaching the star, reaching the star, reaching the star,
Sounds good.
reaching the star, reaching the star, reaching the star, reaching the star, light up the board and reach up the star.
Giant pyramid. What is it What? I mean, I've already seen this, but I still don't know what it means. That's sick, though. Yeah, that's cool.
Right on the sheep,
Let's see. We're gonna add this one, and this one, and this one.
reaching the star, 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 reaching the star,
Dude, that's actually good. This is one of my favorites. And those two. Let's move on to the last one. I don't know if I'm gonna come back and do the rest. Maybe. Let's do sunrise. Let's see. Glasses.
All over.
That's it.
All over. All over the world.
Alright.
All over.
And let's do this thing.
All over. All over the world.
We're gonna add more. Hold on. Let's do this.
All over.
Do that, and then that one.
All over.
It's not bad.
The world. All over. All over. All over the world. All over.
No, yeah, we have to keep that one. Yeah, really. No, wait, that one's in there.
All over. All over the world. All over.
I don't know. This one sounds good, but like, not.
All over. All over the world. You take me for a little child and ask me for more compromise, but do you like your adult life? You take me for a little child and
Yeah,
ask
this
me
one's
for more
fine.
compromise, but do you like your adult life?
Yo, UFO.
All over.
That's good.
All over.
Let's see. I'm gonna get rid of these.
Take my hand for this night, and I will guide you until the dance. Wall of heaven and light on fire will show you how to dance. Take my hand for this night, and I will guide you until the dance. Wall of heaven and light on fire will show you how to dance. All over.
That's one.
All over. All over the world. Sunrise. Be free to run. Sunrise over your head. Be free to jump.
Dude, this game is sick, bro. No, I did Brazil, right? Oh no, I did Alpha, Sunrise, Asobi, and Wickedy. No, we had to do Brazil. Hold up. I'm not gonna do all those, but I'm gonna show you one that I already liked. And do that one. Then I'm gonna do these two. Now let me do the ones that I did in the. I did that one. I don't remember but what order they were in, but I'm just gonna add them. Like that. Like that. one's really good. There's like another yellow one. Yeah, that one. And now that is it for today's YouTube video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please like and subscribe. And comment any other games you guys would like me to play, because I will be doing that later on. I have, let me see, 2 games that I'm already going to be playing later on. No, 3. Yeah, 3. So be expecting those. Maybe 4 games. They're going to be, I don't think anybody watched until the end, but they're going to be Hello Neighbor Hide and Seek, Brick Bronze, which I'm really excited about. Let me see. And Raft. Not like the actual Raft, but like a mobile version, because, you know, I don't really have that much. I don't have a PC. I only have Windows. Or what? No, I mean, I only have a Mac. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time.